Battery open circuit voltage check. This will tell you the condition of your battery. Gain access to your battery and set up your multimeter to 20 volts DC voltage measuring range, connected to the positive and negative terminal of the battery. If your reading is under 12.5 volts, charge the battery with a suitable charger. Wait an hour after it's fully charged and repeat the test. After that, if the result is still under 12.5 volts, it's time to replace the battery. Pro tip: you can increase the life of your battery dramatically if you use a suitable charger regularly. Most chargers include a quick connector to make it easy to use. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a like. If you would like to see similar content, please subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications.